Hello grade 3s, it's Miss Mzizi here. I hope that you are all doing well. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or a part of a group of things. So what does a fraction look like? Over here we have 3 over 4. Now 3 over 4 means that there are 3 parts of 4 equal parts. The idea of equal parts is very important. So why is the idea of equal parts very important? So if you take a look at the 2 diagrams at the bottom, one of the diagrams shows us 3/4 and the other one is not 3/4. The diagram on the left-hand side with the tick is 3/4. And why is it 3/4? Because it has been divided into 4 equal parts. The diagram on the right-hand side is not 3/4 because it has been divided into 4 unequal parts. Alright, so when looking at our fraction 3/4, there are 2 important terminologies that we need to know. These 2 terminologies are that the top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. The top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. So let's have a look at our first example. What fraction is shaded? Five over 8. How did we get this answer? Our top number, which is the numerator, is the amount of equal parts that have been shaded. And how many parts can you see that have been shaded in purple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Our bottom number, which is the denominator, is the total amount of equal parts. So how many parts there are altogether. And we call this fraction 5/8. All right, let's take a look at our second example. What fraction is shaded? 1 over 3. And we call this fraction 1/3. All right, let's take a look at our next example. What fraction of the group are red stars? There are 3 red stars over 5 stars altogether. We call this fraction 3/5. So the numerator is the amount of red stars and our denominator is the amount of stars altogether. Well, that's it for today's lesson, grade 3s. Remember, if there are any questions that you need to ask, leave them in the comment section down below. From me, Miss Mzizi, goodbye.